Okay, so here's a quick video about how to use tags. First of all, you need to get into one of your topics. So you can click on here. This will take you into your topic, in this case LPG gas in the future. I've already created some tags, but the main way you'd create them is on the fly. So let me just show you. I'm going to come to, okay, so here's a comment and they mention climate change. So I click on tag and then I can type in here climate change. Oops, spell it correctly. I can select a color of the tag, so I might make this, I don't know, a bit green, maybe that color green. If I wish to, I can then add it. I can add a comment with the tags. I tend not to. Then I'm going to save it. So what it's now doing, it's just updating and refreshing, which is why I've got this little ball circling around. And that will add that tag not only to my list of tags here, but also to the comment I've just worked on. So it's just taking a little time to refresh. So here we are, climate change. Now, the next thing we want to do is to see how we can use these tags and look at them in the discussions here. You can see we have tags. So we click on here. These three are related to who actually created the topic and so on. I tend to use this first one, so if I click on comments here, you can see these are all the comments that I've thus far tagged. You can see there's the one I've just done on climate change. You can use the filters here, so I can select only the ones that I'm interested in, so I'm going to click climate change. This one here, by the way, is the one I've used for selecting people who I think have done a very good job. This is a day 3 activity where I'm going to give them a tenner, so I've actually just tagged them to say I'm going to give them a tenner. But anyway, here's the filter. I click on apply and there is my climate change tag. Now I tend to then use these and basically export it. It's much easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything, and this will then select all these different comments. I'm going to export in Excel. So here's my file. And what I get is in the very first column, I get the topic. So this is the topic. So again, what you'd need to do is use your filters and so on, and only concentrate on the topic that you want. In the next column, there's the comment itself. Then we've got the tag, and then we've got the person and the date and so on. So this is how I would then work with this. I don't know why that comment's just come up from Jeff, but there we are. He knows how to spoil a party. Anyway, that's tags for you. Thank you. Bye.